No matter your line of work, when you're in the field and require high visibility, you know how important it is to have the right lighting equipment. That's where Strobes-R-Us comes in. Introducing the Strobes-R-Us Work Ready Package. This package is designed to give you everything you need to make sure you, your crew, or your customers are visible and safe, no matter what the conditions are. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to install. The Work Ready Package includes 6 high-intensity LED strobe lights and 2 heavy-duty work lights that can be mounted on your vehicle in a variety of locations. Plus, the package comes with all the necessary wiring and hardware to get everything set up and working in no time. Installing the package is as simple as mounting the lights and connecting the wiring to the control panel. The control panel lets you easily control all the lights from one central location, and it's easy to use and can be mounted anywhere in your vehicle. And once everything is installed, you'll have peace of mind knowing that you and your crew are visible and safe on the job site and on the road. So whether you're installing an upfit or the one in the field, you can trust that the Strobes-R-Us Work Ready Package has everything you need to get the job done quickly, safely, and effectively.